Indexing in MongoDB is a technique to optimize query performance by creating a structure that allows the database to locate data efficiently. Follow these steps to create and manage indexes. Understand indexes. Default index. MongoDB automatically creates an index on the ID field of every collection. Custom indexes. You can create indexes on fields to improve query performance. Create an index. Use the createIndex method to create an index on a field. For example, view indexes. To see all indexes in a collection, use the following. Compound index. Create an index on multiple fields to optimize queries involving those fields. Unique index. To enforce uniqueness on a field. Delete indexes. Remove a specific index. Drop all indexes. Indexes improve read performance but may slightly impact write operations. Use them strategically for frequently queried fields.